You know, I'm gonna make the argument that it's healthier to be at camp somewhere than to be en route and parking lot docking on the way to camp, because when you stop in towns on the way, there's restaurants and stuff. So we're playing this game of identify that abandoned restaurant. All right, and about the only clue we have is that big round thing up there. I should guess the Burger King, but I think the seat backs, the design on the seat backs are not Burger King-ish. And so we're looking for other clues. What could have this been? You know, some buildings have a specific design, like everybody knows a Pizza Hut, you know, what those look like. They had outdoor seating. And Jack in the Boxes, they have a, you know, some of them have a very distinct design of the building. This is, we don't know. We don't have any more clues. Maybe we'll figure it out. We're taking a little walk over here, somewhere else to eat. We're gonna keep our eye out here for clues though. Any guesses?
Guess.
Yeah, put your guess down in the comments. What do you think this is? And maybe we'll put our guesses at the end of the video, or maybe we'll find some definitive aha, there's the clue that gave it away sort of thing. But so in the meantime, put it down in the comments.
You don't have to play this game, do you? You gotta make your guess too.
I will.
Everybody's got to guess.
I don't
now.
have a guess yet.
And then we'll go look on Google Maps.
Oh yeah, the old pin's probably there.
Yes.
Well, I'm not gonna tell you the location, so we can't do that. I'm not gonna cheat. We're not cheating either.
Yeah.
In
no, I'm saying
there's
a video. You can tell them what it is.
Yeah, we'll figure it out one way or the other. I think.
McDonald's over there. There's KFC.
Yeah, McDonald's, KFC, Steak and Shake.
It was
Steak and Shake.
Sam's Club right over there.
Yeah, well.
Got a gas station.
Oh, that still doesn't give the location.
It could have been
I'm not saying what
Box.
city we're in, so that would be.
Oh, by the way, gas seems to be a little cheaper then.
Yeah.
It averages $2.89 for.
Well, that's what I pay. Well, I paid $2.87.
Yeah, well, I think that's the.
Yeah, in Circle K it's $2.89, and here it's only $2.89 if you pay cash.
Okay, we gotta get to the side.
Circle K.
Come on, y'all.
All right, we're going to go this way.
Crosswalk.
All right, check this out.
Is
To
this another clue?
do this legally. Okay, there's no crosswalk here. Okay, we have to go that way. We have to go across this crosswalk, across that crosswalk, back over across that crosswalk. There's all three,
design.
but there's none here. So we're
Definitely not a good design.
so we're gonna do it legally, and I guess and go around. I say when the light turns green, we run. Let's just make a dash for it, right?
Here we go around the intersection.
So, all right. I probably would have done the risky thing, but
Go ahead.
these two.
Give me the camera, and I'll film you running across the street.
These two. Nah. I don't play by the rules with these two. Okay. I don't want them getting hit. So I know I can do it, but
Did you just
we
call
better-
Jeff Cole?
we better stay. We better stay. I think I said these two.
Oh, okay.
All right, we still got plenty of time, so these two will make it. Okay. 18, 17. Okay. I'll wait for them. They're about halfway across. I'll wait over here for them to make it the rest of the way. So now we gotta go across the third one.
Here we go down the intersection.
I say we avoid the intersection altogether. We are way up there. We could just run across the road.
That's really ridiculous.
And
That they don't have a crosswalk
avoid it
on that
all this anyway. We could just go walk across right up there, see,
side. Yeah, we can.
not wait for all this nonsense. But we're not doing anything else. Nothing else better to do at the moment. So
I was gonna say, if you're in a rush,
we'll
you could see.
we'll just-
you could
we'll
go
just-
and see who beats.
we'll just stand on the street corners here because we have nothing else better to do.
It could
Steak
be a
and
race.
Shake.
It could be a race. You go around that way, and we'll go this way and see who gets there.
Okay. Okay, it's time to go. Off we go again. Okay, there's that empty place sitting over there still. Okay. What could have it been? Had a big square sign, I guess.
Burger
Well,
King.
it had that round one too. That wasn't no Burger King. Yeah. Okay, that's officially Aja's guess. So.
Well, it could have been a Jack in the Box. It could have. There's a lot. It could have been. There's not.
Now, Jack in the Boxes have a distinctive design to their buildings. Oh. Not bad. And not priced bad. And look at this strawberry shake. You don't get a steak and shake without a steak burger and a shake, right? And look, extra large diameter straw because these were thick, you know. So I'd be able to get some milkshakes up to that thing.
That looks like a nice, good old-fashioned shake.
Yeah, we'll see. Ooh, I'll give you a brain freeze quick.
I was gonna do the shake test, but it's
the whipped cream will fall off.
Yeah, everything.
So you got the, I know you got the Oreo. What Jeff got?
Just chocolate.
Oh. Yeah, gotta be careful. You got brain freeze. Whew. Okay, so the steak burgers, it's actually a pretty thin patty, but they're flavorful. They're like fresh meat, not a frozen patty. So they're smashing them out up on the grill and cook them fresh. But it's one instance where I wouldn't have been afraid to order the double or even the triple. It's a pretty thin patty, but it is good. Just make note of that. If you ever go to a Steak and Shake, you might want to upgrade to a double or triple patty. It's still good though. I'm happy with it. Well, seems like it took about 10 minutes to get back through these walk things. That's 3 of 3. I saved y'all the waiting, standing around these street corners at night. Alright, back. I gotta feed Bella, let her out, get on with her evening. So, we are back at this location of this restaurant. We can't leave this unsolved. It's the next day. Jeff said he went for a walk and he found the definitive answer to what this used to be. He said it's in the drive-through. So, let's see the drive-through here. I guess that's the speaker and the menu board. Nothing there, but nothing here. But little things out the bottom that say 2,000 calories a day is used for general nutrition advice, but calorie needs vary. Additional nutrition information available upon request. So I don't see anything there. Let's check the drive-through windows. Okay, let's see here. Oh, there is a sign there. Let's get out of the reflection a little bit more. Let's see if we can read that. This Burger King location has permanently closed. Thank you for your many years of patronage. So it was indeed Burger King. Guess who was right? Yes, Aja guessed it was right. So we'll play this game again some other time when we come across an abandoned restaurant or maybe something else. We'll see. It's fun to do though. Look for clues. Alright. We are on our way to some free camping. And one of Florida's 5 water management districts have this. It's like free camping in wildlife management areas and the water management areas. They're around. They can be found. Just gotta know where to look. A little extra digging than I think what we're used to, but by golly, we got the digging and starting to find some of this stuff. Much to our relief. Our camp back here about a quarter mile. Oh my! I'm already seeing campers and
800 feet. You will arrive at your destination.
Buses and a couple cows back here. Awesome. What? Did you see cows? It looks like just field camping. No, there's that cow. There's that cow right there. See that cow? Did you see that cow? Did you miss it? She says, yeah, but what else is there? What else is here? No, that was weird. So, I was just pulling up there and somebody come out and was waving their arms and like, was that a crazy lady up there? I'm just gonna go over to her. What's going on here? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's open arm hugs. She must know this person. Hey, I didn't know that rig. That's Marsha. Oh, it'll be good to catch up with Marsha. Oh, good. But you wait until you will remember. You haven't seen Marsha in a while. We have not seen Marsha in a while. You will remember her. There's Marsha. I love her rig. Hello, Marsha.